Okay, guys, it's Tuesday, 20th of April, 5 o'clock. Okay, so just a quick recap what happened last couple of sessions. Bitcoin, sorry, bad news is everything is still looking down quite heavily. So if I just look at NASDAQ, down, US 500, down, DAX Germany, down, UK FTSE, sharp down. Even oil's coming down for a change. Oh, look at oil. Turned exactly where I wanted it to turn. So now you just wait for a small correction and it's a sell. Gold is still sitting up there, taking forever to come down. Okay, let's get back to Bitcoin. On a 4-hour chart, I'm looking at, okay, this is definitely looking like a triangle being formed here. So if I remember, triangle's got 5 waves made up of 3 subways. So it's 3 up for A, 3 down for B, doing C now, D, E, and then a drop. So if that is the case, then yeah, it's not looking good. So if you look at this as a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and then we should have one more drop, 5. So Bitcoin looks like it's going to do a 50,000, 48,000 area. Once it reaches that zone, it'll do a 3-wave correction, probably to this 58,000 height, where it could then break down, continue lower. The question here is, when it bounces here, is it going to be just a 3 waves up and then drop? Then we know it's continuation to the downside. If this turns out to be a break through that level as a 3, 4, 5, then all good again, all happy days, and then we're back resuming our uptrend. But at the moment, short term, it's definitely coming down to this level. If this is a triangle playing out, this is a classic 1, 2, 3, number 4. Remember, a triangle only happens in a wave B or in a wave 4, never anywhere else. So if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 to here, then we can expect one more drop down to 5. So that's the height of my triangle. If that's the end of the E wave right there, then we're looking at 50,000 is the target going down, but it could extend to 48. Obviously, this is your normal target range on a triangle, but a 5th wave can always be extended to lower. Okay, so this is just my view at the moment. Again, please, guys, of course, we are desperately waiting for this just to be a little bit of a hiccup and then keep going up. That would be great. But unfortunately, I have to tell you what I see. And what I see is a triangle forming, possibly hasn't formed it yet, but it looks like it is forming it. And if that is the case, then that's our worst case scenario is coming down there. Okay. So I'm just getting you prepared and ready for all situations, not just can't just be bullish all the time. So same for Ethereum, exactly the same pattern. 1, 2, 3, triangle 4, down to 5, which will be 1850 zone. Okay, just happens to be on our last channel line as well. So that is a good place to probably get into Ethereum again. Watch the 3 waves up to this level. If it breaks that level, if it just does 3 like that again, exactly the same as Bitcoin. So be careful. Let's see what happens when we get down there. Litecoin, also exactly the same pattern. Litecoin came down quite hard. 1, 2, 3, doing our 4 wave now, and 5 is finishing off at 210, 200 zone. So that is our ideal target for a correction to the upside. All right. So 5 down, 1, 2, 3 waves up, 2 wave 4 level, and if it doesn't break that, then it's going to be another 5 down there, which is the same length of that, and that before we carry on up. Okay. So lastly, look, even Doji is coming down today, and everyone's going to do a Doji day today where they're all going to spike it up. Well, those people got shafted because it all came down. Ripple. Okay, as you all know, I'm still in Ripple. Same thing. 1, 2, 3. Looks like a triangle. 4, 5. Doesn't look as bad as all the others, but it's still not good. Let me go to 1 hour just to get more detail into this scenario. Okay, so let's look at it. Got a 1, 2. Got a wave 3 down. If this is a triangle, we're looking at a minimum of $1. Okay, so I'm looking at a reversal at, what's this? Between $1 and 85 cents. So that is the ideal support. So how do I calculate this move? That's the low of my, that's the range of my triangle. If my triangle ends over there, then $1 exactly is the target. Okay. But it can be extended to 85, 80 cents anyway. So just be aware of that. So after our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, expect 1, 2, 3 up to this level at 150. Once it reaches 150, we can go for another leg down, 5 waves, or if this, like I said before, same as Bitcoin, if it breaks through that, that'll be great. Find support there again, and then goes up again. That is our 5 waves up. That'll mean it is continuing this uptrend that we've been looking at for the last few weeks. Okay, so that is scenario. Hopefully something happens, some news, and we just rocket up. Great. But worst case scenario, we're building 1, 2, 3, 4, and a triangle 5 waves down, which is definitely bearish, and then 3 up. Looking at this 85 cents, 88 cents, 85 cents, anywhere in this zone. If you've got some spare cash lying around, that's a good time to enter your Ripple buy. Worst case scenario, it might just go to 150. Well, that is still more than 50% of your return, so that's good. Even if you get out there and watch it drop after that. But after 5 waves down, we must see or should see a 3-way correction. And normally that's where it'll end, 150. Okay, good luck. And leave a comment, like the video, let me know what you're thinking. Like to hear from you guys and see what your thoughts are. Thanks.